Objective and use case. You will design and assemble a light sensing circuit using a photoresistor, LDR, and a transistor to control an LED based on environmental brightness. The circuit acts as a logical NOT gate relative to light intensity. Light equals output off, dark equals output on. Why it is useful. Time street lighting, automating street lamps to turn on only at night to save energy. Times garden lights, solar-powered garden fixtures that activate at dusk. Times security systems, triggering low-light recording or illumination. Times display efficiency, adjusting screen brightness or backlighting based on room conditions.
Would you like to really get electronics, computer science, and AI without drowning in endless theory? At prometeo.blog, you learn by actually building and coding. Every week, we publish concise micro-tutorials, technical comparisons, and product overviews to help you decide what to buy and how to use it. But the real gem is our practical cases. Very detailed guides that take you from the bill of materials all the way to final validation. You'll design and test circuits with analog components like resistors, diodes, transistors, capacitors, inductors, relays, and transformers, and with digital logic like AND, OR, NOT, NAND gates, etc. You'll build projects with FPGA, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, ESP32 or Jetson, and even the UGV robot. Everything is step-by-step, exact commands, ready-to-run code, wiring guides, real electrical schematics, SPICE net lists with real simulation plots, troubleshooting guides, upgrades, and much more. All our posts are available in both Spanish and English. At the end of each article, you'll find a short quiz so you can quickly check what you've learned. You also get your own private Prometeo ChatGPT tutor, specialized in electronics, computer science, and AI, with precise knowledge of all the content on the blog. Point. If you really want to learn by doing, advancing one project at a time. Head over to prometeo.blog and get started today.